Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA Vice City mouse not working issue with some quick and easy steps. If your mouse is stuck or not responding in the game, first close the game completely and go to your game installation folder. Find the gta-vc.exe file, right-click on it, open Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab and enable compatibility mode for Windows XP Service Pack 2 or 3, and also tick Run this program as administrator, then Apply and save. Now launch the game and check if the mouse works. If not, go to Task Manager while the game is running, find GTA Vice City Process, right-click it, select Set Affinity, and uncheck CPU 0, then click OK. After that, return to the game and test your mouse again. Also, make sure no controller or extra input device is connected to your PC, as it can interfere with mouse input. Finally, restart your computer and try again, and your issue should be fixed easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.